Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane, Alcester. The contact number here is 01789 763 432 and the postcode for your sat-nav is B495QD. 2020, pre-owned, one owner from new, Coachman, Acadia Extra Platinum Edition 520. This is a 3-berth model, spacious lounge up front and the side seating area in the middle facing the kitchen. One of our special editions. It's in absolutely pristine condition. Features barbecue, an external power point for your outdoor cooking and, dare I say, your power up things and awning. Access to the space under the front seats. It does include a Power Touch Evolution manual engaged motor mover. Let's tour you around the interior. First impression as you walk in there, it's really super spacious. Full width panoramic window up front, and you've got the big opening roof light window here, so it's a really nice bright place to be. You've got the contoured 2-colour lockers. You've got the under-powered swivel LED lights. You've got the integrated blind system, night and fly screens, as you can see. Very spacious lounge, seating for 4 and in fact up to 6 people. You can have it as 2 single beds, or if you prefer, you can have it as a double bed. Sleep with your weight across. It includes an alarm system, Alcester heating system, so if you're away in the colder months, it will keep you super warm. This model features a really nice big long kitchen, so lots of preparation space. Fridge with a fridge compartment. Side seating area here. This also makes into a little single. Alternatively, in the morning, one of you still in bed, the other's got somewhere to sit, make a drink. Decorative panel on the door to the washroom. It's a fabulous sized washroom. You've got loo, wash basin, square, practical shower. I say it's one owner from new, Alcester heating system, alarm system. It's in lovely condition. Features a motor mover. On that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.